Good morning, beautiful people. So today I want to tell y'all an old African proverb I once read. And it was about this medicine man. It was a medicine man. He went from tribe to tribe, healing people, animals, and everything like famine and stuff like that, right? So on his way home from healing people in his tribe, he found a baby snake. Like the baby snake was beautiful. So he takes the snake, he feed it, he help it, he get it back, healthy to be regular again. They grow years together. One day the snake bit him with a poisonous bite. On his dying bed, the doctor's like, why you bite me? I took care of you. I brought you back from death. I healed you. Did everything for you. The snake looked at him as he died and said, you knew I was a snake. Come on. You knew that. Think about that. Think about that.